of the season for the original Sixers. Let's see how they do. All right, lights on the car corner pace truck are out. The 46, a late joiner here. That's Lisa Drummer out of South Beloit, one of our female drivers here. As Dallas Conniff is going to bring them around. Let's see if it looks good. Here they come. I don't know. Maybe. It is good. And it's going to be Dallas Conniff off to the races, followed by Shot. The 75 of Justin Hawkins way off the pace. Something's wrong with that 75 car. Now he's got it figured out. Maybe he had to put it in gear, not really sure. The 89 car, 89 of Tanya Hansen, now sliding up there into third, followed by the 33 of Ryan Ford. That's your top four. Then it's followed by the rookie in the 25 car, all there by himself. Followed by the 104 Trenton Sawyer. Then Justin Hawkins and the 21K of Cassie Kingery. But it's Dallas Conniff to bring them around. This is a 6-lap heat race. They don't have transponders in their cars, so that's why you won't see the lap board up there. We'll try to do the best we can to keep and figure out we've got scores, keeping track of this, but I'll do the best I can to let you know who's where. Until the lapping starts, that's when it gets interesting. So Dallas Conniff is off to the races. Last year, Dallas Conniff rolled his car here at the Rockford Speedway. That was interesting to see that happen. And there goes Mike Shipman, the only guy in a Chrysler Imperial. There's a good little grudge battle between the 725 of Mike Shipman and then the guy will be out later in the race. Douglas Neiswanger, they like to race each other pretty hard, so when they race in the feature tonight, that's always a good race to watch. So here comes the white flag for Dallas Conniff, followed by the 89 of Tanya Hansen. I don't know if she's really fast or everybody's just afraid to pass her. But the rookie, the kid first night in the car, Tyler Vinstich, he's working on the 2 of Austin Schott. So it's going to be Dallas Conniff to win. It's going to be Tanya Hansen for second, Ryan Ford for third, Austin Schott for fourth. That's your top 4. And your 5th place car is that rookie. You know, and I told him I'd say his name right when I talked to him. Now I'm not. It's Vinkatik. There we go. So our rookie in the 25 car. Let's make some noise. It's Dallas Conniff. Dallas, you got to be happier now. You didn't roll it. He's holding that famous flag. Get the picture, got the trophy. Heck yeah. Driving a Pontiac Grand Am. How many of you